All right, good day everyone. Welcome to Sir Fox Learning Channel. For today's video, I would like to present to you another video lesson for General Physics 2. First, I would like you to analyze the picture on the screen. What do you think the picture shows on the screen? Anyone? You can type or you can chat down your answers or analysis on the chat box or on the comment section of this video. If you can still recall, the gravitational field at a point is defined to be the gravitational force per unit mass on an object placed at that point. So in other words, what you can see, yung nakikita nyo dyan sa screen is the gravitational field lines of the Earth. So for instance, an object na pumasok sa gravitational field lines ng Earth will have a gravitational field which is equal to force of gravity all over mass. What about this? What do you think the picture on the screen emphasizes? Anyone? You can also chat or comment down on the comment section your analysis of this picture. The picture shows the electric field. So yung ipinapakita po natin dito sa screen na picture is all about electric field. So ano kaya yung electric field? Ano kaya yung sinisignify ng mga lines na nandyan? So yun po yung pag-uusapan po natin sa video ito. Electric field or basically defined as electric force per unit charge, mathematically expressed as E is equal to F over Q, or electric force over charge, where F is electric force, Q is charge, and E is electric field. So you will notice na mayroon siyang resemblance kung paano i-present si gravitational field. And therefore, since ang pag-uusapan po natin in this video lesson is all about electric field, our learning target is to describe an electric field as a region in which an electric charge experiences a force. So hopefully at the end of this video, you will know how to describe an electric field as a region in which an electric charge experiences a force, and calculate electric field due to a system of point charge using Coulomb's law and the superposition principle. So for the meantime, this will be our learning target for this video. Again, an electric field is the region of space around a charge where a positive test charge experiences a force. An electric field strength is measured by force per unit charge, or basically force per unit charge, or mathematically expressed as E is equals to F of E, or electric force per unit charge. On the screen, you will see an isolated electric field of a positive charge and an isolated electric field of negative charge. What do you think the difference between the electric field of the different charges, positive and negative charges? Ano yung makikita mong difference of the charges? What do you think? The difference of the two electric field lines of the different charges. You will see here that the positively charged electric field going out So sabi nga dun sa ating definition, nakaka-experience si positive charge ng force. Therefore, si positive charge nakaka-experience ng force, kaya yung kanyang electric field lines is going out. And later on, malalaman po natin saan papunta yung kanyang electric charge na na-experience. Ay yung lines. Saan papunta yung mga lines na yan na nagagaling kay positive charge nung na-experience niya yung electric force na yan. However, on the other hand, the electric field lines of an isolated negative charge is going in to the negative charge. Ang tanong, saan naman nanggagaling itong mga papasok kay negative charge? Malalaman rin natin yan later on. At huwag na nating patagalin, I think ito na yon. So, the picture shown here is the electric field lines of two different charges, positive and negative charge. What can you notice between the field lines of the two charges? Ano yung manonotice mo between the field lines or of the field lines of the two charges? You will see here that the field lines of positive charge which going out, the time na naka-experience siya ng electric force, ay pumupunta siya kay negative charge. So, kaya yung field lines na makikita po ninyo dito, papunta siya kay negative charge. Which means that the two charges are attracted to each other. So yung ibig sabihin niyan, yung dalawang charges na yan, kaya siya papunta kay negative charge kasi they are both attracted to each other. However, kapag magkaparehas yung charge, either negative or positive field lines, what will happen is like this. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa picture natin. Repulsive. Dito, attractive. Two different charge attracts. But same charge, repel. Electric field is a vector quantity which is expressed in terms of electric force and the charge. So, by mathematical expression, E is equal to Fe over Q, where E is electric field, Fe is electric force, Q is charge. With the value. Applying the definition of electric field, which is E is equals to F over Q, we find that the magnitude of the electric field is Coulomb's constant times the charge over the square of the distance between the charges, or K is equals to K times Q over R squared. As you can see, that the electric field due to a point charge decreases with the inverse square of the distance. So, ang tendency kasi dito, once na yung distance of the two charges are far apart, probably affected yung electric field lines. Magnitude of electric field is equals to the Coulomb's constant times Q or charge over R squared or the distance, the square of the distance. Mathematically expressed below. Let us have an example problem. What is the magnitude of a point charge that would create an electric field of 1.0 Newton per coulomb at points 1.00 meters away? For our solution and answer, you will notice that the electric field due to the charge is given by E is equals to the expressions of Coulomb's law, which is also known as the permittivity of free space or the Coulomb's law expression, which is equal also to K times the absolute value of the charge over R square, where K is equals to the permittivity of free space, also equal to 8.99 times 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. Or, pwede nating i-round off yung 8.99 to 9 times 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. So, kanina, we determined the magnitude of an electric field by rewriting the mathematical expression of electric charge as Q, which is equal to E times the square of the distance between the two charges over the Coulomb's constant, which is 9 times 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. And our electric field here, by substitution, is equal to 1 Newton per Coulomb. And the distance between the electric field is 1 meter squared. By mathematical calculation, you will get 1.11 times 10 to the power of negative 10 coulombs. So you will notice, coulomb na lang yung naging unit measure dito. Paano nangyari yon? You can say meter squared, Newton as well. At the same time, yung isang C, kasi C squared yung ating unit measure ng Coulomb's constant. At kaya ang natirang unit measure is C na lang. Another problem here, a small charge Q, which is equal to 6.0 microcoulomb, is found in a uniform field, which is 2.9 Newton per coulomb. Determine the force of the charge. So to determine the force of the charge, we will just rewrite the electric field expression na E is equals to F over Q. So by rewriting it, you will now, pwede mong gamitan dito ng triangle method. So kung F ang hinahanap, therefore you have Q times E. So the value of your Q or charge is 6.0 microcoulomb or times 10 negative 3 coulomb, and the value of your E is 2.9 Newton per coulomb. Cancel the coulomb unit, therefore you have 0.02 newtons by mathematical calculation. Lastly, what is the magnitude of the electric field at a field point 2.0 meters from a point charge Q, which is equal to 4.0 nanocoulomb. So, ang tinatanong na natin dito is the magnitude of electric field. So, we will use the permittivity of free space. E is equals to 1 over 4 pi E sub 0 or Q over R squared. Ito po yung ating definition kanina ng magnitude of electric field. So therefore, the constant K is 9 times 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter squared per coulomb squared. The value of your charge is 4.0 nano is negative 9 coulomb over 2 meters, which is your field point distance from point to point. So by mathematical calculations, you will now cancel the C, yung isang C, yung meter squared, and therefore matitira is Newton sa taas, isang C sa baba. So 9 exponent 9 times 4 exponent negative 9 divided by 4 is equals to 9 Newton per coulomb. Okay? And for your practice, we have one problem here. 2 points, 2.0 charges are separated by distance of 10.0 centimeters. What is the magnitude and direction of the electric field at point 2.0 cm from the negative charge? Okay? So much for that. Hopefully, itong video lesson na to ay nakatulong po sa inyo. At kung bago ka sa channel ni Sir Box, huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell on. Marami pong salamat. Happy learning, everyone.